Hello my fly babies, hello my patrons, hello my lions. Today is Tuesday and it is a 2-layer cake this day because it is our free day. So we have our routines and we have our free day. We don't have any zone, any project. Okay, now let's start with our routines. You're going to get up in the morning and do your morning routine before your children. Once you've taken care of yourself with your morning routine, you're going to put your children through their morning routine, which takes you all the way up to breakfast being eaten. The beds are made, the bathroom looks nice, the toilet is clean, the sinks are clean, your dishes are put away, you're ready for work, your kids are ready for the day if you're going to work. You're ready for work in your home if you're staying at home to work. And that means to do your home work, your homekeeping, or if you work from home, either way. All right, so next thing we're going to do is if you are going outside of the home, you're a payroll fly baby, or you're an at-home payroll fly baby and you need to work in the morning, then you're going to go to work. You're not going to worry about anything that's happening in the home. You're going to focus on what you're being paid for. On your lunch hour, your breaks, you can think about home. And if you are thinking about home and you have delegated your weekly home blessing hour, then you're going to think about which thing your children are doing who are staying at home, if they're still at home. So if not, and you can't delegate it, then you're going to know that you're going to do it when you get home. One of those 6 things. And hopefully you did one of them on Saturday and one yesterday. So you're going to do one today, only because you have to do it in little pieces. Otherwise, I wouldn't ask you to do anything today. All right, for those of you staying home, you're going to run your laundry. You're going to go through an inch of paper. Those things still happen on your free day. You're going to put your laundry up once it's dried, fold it, hang it up, and put it away. You're going to do your 3 clutter checks, morning, afternoon, and evening. And you're going to do your before bed routine. Oh, but first you're going to do your after dinner routine, then your before bed routine for yourself and for your children. I'm no longer going to go over the before bed routine. I've gone over it over and over and over again on all the previous videos. So if you need to go back and watch yesterday's, it's on there. All right, if you are a payroll fly baby and you come home, you're going to do your after your middle of the day, I know it's not the middle of the day, but you're going to do your second clutter check because you've done your first one before you left the house, second clutter check. And then you're going to fix your dinner while your dinner is simmering. You're going to work on that one thing that you may have to do for 10 minutes of your weekly home blessing hour. When you first come home, of course, you're going to start your laundry and go through an inch of an inch of paper clutter as well. All right. Then it's before bed routines for yourself, for your children first, then you. Unless you're exhausted, then you do yours first and your children. Don't neglect this. It's very important. And that's all for today. So this is an easy day for you. Make sure you do something for yourself today. This is a free day. So you're not going to be doing zone work, project work, or any kind of a basic weekly plan item other than have your free day. So enjoy this day. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget that you are beautiful. Bye.